Hello everyone, and welcome to this in-depth review of the ProtoArc EKM01 Plus ergonomic keyboard mouse with EC200 office desk chair set. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to revolutionize your workspace with its combination of ergonomic design and high functionality, making it an excellent choice for professionals who spend long hours at their computers. Let's start with the keyboard and mouse. The ProtoArc wireless ergonomic keyboard stands out with its full-size layout and a uniquely curved split keyframe design that helps position your wrist and forearm in a more natural, relaxed posture. This thoughtful design not only reduces strain, but also boosts your productivity by offering premium ergonomics that last all day. The ability to switch between up to 3 devices via USB receiver or Bluetooth is a major plus. Whether you're a Windows user or a Mac enthusiast, this set has compatibility with Windows 7, 8, 10, Mac OS X 10.12, and even Android devices running version 4.3 or higher. Such versatility is rare in other similar products on the market. Now let's talk about the EC200 office desk chair. Engineered for comfort, this chair is built with features like an adjustable lumbar support, adjustable seat depth, backrest, seat height, and multi-dimensional headrest and large armrests. This chair comfortably accommodates a wide range of users from 5'4" to 6'3" and supports up to 280 pounds. The two-way adjustable lumbar support with 2.36 inches of height and 0.8 inches of depth customization is specifically designed to contour to your spine's natural curve, thereby reducing lower back strain by up to 50%. Additionally, the chair offers 4 different tilt angles: 90 degrees for upright work, 105 degrees for reading, 120 degrees during phone calls, and 130 degrees for relaxation, making it adaptable to your needs throughout the day. In real-life use, the keyboard and chair have proven their worth. Users have reported that the keyboard's responsive keys and smooth switching function significantly improve multi-device workflow. Meanwhile, the EC200 chair's adjustable features provide remarkable support even during long hours of intense work. However, a possible drawback is that the chair's extensive adjustability might require some trial and error to perfectly suit each user's preferred comfort settings. Compared to other products in the market, the ProtoArc set offers a comprehensive suite of features at a competitive price point. To get the most out of this product, we recommend spending a little extra time adjusting the chair and familiarizing yourself with the keyboard's multi-device setup. With these tips, your productivity and comfort levels are bound to improve. Overall, the ProtoArc EKM01 Plus ergonomic keyboard mouse with EC200 office desk chair set is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a health-conscious, productivity-enhancing workstation setup. It's ideal for home offices, corporate environments, and freelance professionals alike. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.